In back we have another set of standoff LED turn signals and a bolt-up taillight with all black housings and hardware. Much like the front fender, the rear fender is clean, simple and just big enough to do the job with a flashy, pinstripe graphic for a bit of bling, you know, just to offset the complete dearth of chrome. The pinstripe graphic joins the snake eyes badge on the long, narrow fuel tank for a nice bit of continuity of design. A solo seat rides on the shortest stub of a subframe, and believe me when I say that this isn't a two if they are good enough friends kind of solo seat. I mean this is a one-butt saddle. As cut down as the rest of the bike, the frame uses a single down tube, stressed engine layout to keep weight and bulk down to a minimal. The frame uses tubular steel members to make up what little skeletal structure there is, and that material makes up the truss-like swing arm as well for a simple, homemade look that fits well with the rest of the bike.